Well, hello there and welcome into my little kitchen. I'm Lynn Brooks and I'm so glad you're with me today. Hope that you'll take a minute to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. It is a gorgeous fall season right now and everywhere you look, you'll see pumpkins. So today we are going to make a super fun and super easy pumpkin-shaped 3D cake. And I promise you this, you can do it. You can do this one. It's fun, it's simple, and I'm gonna go change clothes, throw some gloves on, and let's get started. It's half gone already. Oh no. That's a good sign though, isn't it? Not only does it look beautiful, but it tastes great. And I hope that your folks are gonna love it. It's a real crowd pleaser and I hope everyone enjoys eating it as much as you enjoy making it. Thanks so much for watching. Please become a subscriber. Have a great day and happy fall, y'all.